If we divide 582 by 5 in long division method, 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 8 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 2 and it is 32. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 582 divided by 5 is 116 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.